Can you remember what happens when you try to go back from an app page? Most of the apps will go back instantly, but I don't prefer that to be happen in my apps. I'll try to hold the user for one more time by auto-scrolling to the initial content. First of all, let us make the scroller widget as an integral part of widgets class. Now the basic parameters required are a scroll controller and a child widget. This basically works by will pop scope widget. When there is no child given, we show a sad emoji. Of course, it's not needed anymore as we set the parameters to not required. It will be indicated by automatically if not given. The scroll bar can be optionally enabled to show the current position in the list view. In my case, I use it for all the apps as much as possible. When you try to go back, let us check if the user is seeing the initial content or he is so far from the top. The position.pixels will give you the current pixel values and we can calculate our logic. In some cases, you may face exceptions. To avoid that, just swap the code with try and catch block. Now we try this widget on a previous cryptocurrency wallet app clone. When you press back button, it scrolls up to the top, and if you press the back button again, it will go back to the previous page. Hope you find this widget as useful. I'll share some of the other widgets I personally use in the upcoming videos. Have a great day.